Today in class, you're going to complete the 9.ATOD.2.1 assignment. Reading the directions, of course, it says using the following PDF, create 10 strategies for avoiding riding in a vehicle with someone who is under the influence of alcohol or other drugs. Make sure to create your own strategies in your own words. And of course, be sure to follow the provided format. So the format would be, of course, strategy 1, then your answer, strategy 2, then your answer, strategy 3, and then so on. Of course, if you don't follow the correct format, there will be a 25-point deduction, and then you will get full credit as long as you are following the correct format. It will be each strategy will be worth 10 points. So of course, all you have to do for this is click on the Drunk Driving Prevention PDF. And the title of this PDF is Drunk Driving Prevention Guide for Teens and Parents. So if you're looking at this is going to give tips to help teens make sure that they're not in this situation of drunk driving or riding with a drunk driver, and even parents to give advice what to do and how to help their adolescents. So of course it says you've got for teens, it says organize carpools or limousines on prom night or other group events to avoid having to drive. Of course, if you plan to drink, choose a responsible designated driver before going out. Buckle up when driving. Of course, it's your best defense against an impaired driver. Take mass transit or a taxi, or ask a sober friend to drive you home if you've been drinking. Ask your school to host alcohol-free parties after prom and graduation. Of course, when you become old enough to purchase wine, liquor, or beer, do not buy it for underage people. So that, of course, that's just some of the ones. You can continue reading through this list to see tips for teens, and then you have this list that is tips for parents and guardians, like never condone underage drinking and serve alcohol to minors. Of course, set a curfew for your child and always wait up for your teen to come home. Know the details of where your child is going and what transportation they are using to get to and from the destination. So you can continue to read through those. There are several different tips. You only have to come up with 10, and you only have to come up with 10 in your own words. Like I said, don't copy and paste the exact same thing. Just put something in your own words, like taking an Uber home, making sure you ride with a certain friend, but put them in your own words. And of course, to do that, once you open the PDF, just hit Load ATOD 2.1 in a new tab. And as it comes up, you'll just begin to type your stuff in here. And as you can see, all you have to do is fill out your name, date, and the class, and I've already provided the strategies, the format for you. So just type in strategy 1, and then strategy 2, strategy 3, and so on until you get to 10. Of course, if you have any questions with this assignment, please let me know.